here and welcome to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to make a homemade mantou or a homemade Chinese bread. I never tried to make it before, and this will be my very first time making the homemade Chinese bread. So be with me, guys. Hashtag with me. I know, guys, that we are in a very tough situation right now because we have to stay at home, but this is must and this is mandatory to stay at home, guys, because this is how the way we can fight the COVID-19. We can stop spreading COVID-19 or coronavirus. While at home, why don't you do some activity like cooking or doing your fitness, reading, or you can do whatever you want just to make sure that you are in the healthy environment. And of course, you have to eat healthy. That's why right now, I'm going to show you of how to make the Chinese bread, but in reality, this is my first time of making the Chinese bread. So be with me, guys. Hashtag with me. If you're new to my channel, guys, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. I hope that you're going to watch until end. And here, guys, I have a bowl. I have a flour, sugar, baking powder, and yeast. Now we're going to put all the dry ingredients together. And 1 teaspoon of baking powder and sugar. I don't like putting a lot of sugar, so this is just like a 3 spoons of sugar. And the yeast powder, guys, we're going to dissolve it into the water. So we're going to put a 1 teaspoon of yeast. So I don't like putting more yeast, guys. So we're going to dissolve this before putting all together in the flour. And I'm going to use the fresh milk, guys. We don't have egg, so we are out of egg. We don't have money to buy the egg. So we're going to use the milk. I'm putting all together here with the yeast powder and milk, our dry ingredients and wet ingredients. We're going to put all together and mix it until it gives you the very good texture of dough. Here we go. Oops, 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 oops. Mixed it all together. Right. Now I'm going to use my hand, but don't worry, guys, my hand is very clean. Already clean it. Here you go, guys. Look at the bowl, it's very clean now. So we have to squeeze like this. So this is the dough, guys. We're going to keep this aside for 45 to 50 minutes. Food towel to cover. Let's put aside for 40 to 50 minutes.
1 eternity later.
So we are going to open it, guys. Look at this, guys. It's growing like 1 kg. Before it was small and now it's growing. Look at this. It's beautiful. So we're going to make it, to form it into mantou. I don't know what's mantou. Or a Chinese bread. Very sticky. You know, I didn't put the oil. So I was supposed to put cooking oil for this, but I didn't. I just put cooking oil in my hands, it will not stick into my hand. There you go, look at this. It's beautiful, guys. We're going to flatten it into square. We're going to make it exactly the size of chopping board, guys. So this is how it is, guys. We're going to roll it over. Going to make like this. This is like this. We just need to lock or stick it all together. It should be like this, guys. So I think it will be 6 pieces of Chinese bread. I will make 6 pieces of Chinese bread in 1 cup of flour. So we're going to cut it. You can cut whatever size you like, guys, but for me, I like to cut this way. Yeah, it's a 6 pieces, guys. 6 pieces of bread. I'm going to use this because I only have a very small steamer. We're going to steam it for 30 minutes. I'm supposed to use the paper, baking paper. I don't know what do you call that. I didn't have that. So I'm going to use the aluminum foil. I never tried using this before, but I'm going to use this because I didn't have the baking paper. You know, we just need to put like this so the water will not absorb into our dough. So this is like this way, guys. We're going to steam it for 30 minutes. We're going to put at the top and cover it.
1 eternity later.
And this is done, guys. Here you go. This is exactly the Chinese bread. It's exactly the Mantou bread or a Chinese bread, but I don't know, guys, why there is a yellow stain. It's supposed to be white color. So this is my expectation and this is the reality. But it's the same taste, guys. It's tasty. It's very good for a coffee. It's really good for a coffee, guys. Look at this. You see, guys, there's a lot of things to do while staying at home. So I recommend you to stay at home, do some experiment, do some activity, exercise, not just sitting, not just sleeping and eating. You can experiment of cooking like me. This is my first time, guys, but I didn't expect that I can make it like this. This is exactly the Chinese bread, but the only thing, there is a stain, a yellow stain. It's supposed to be the white color, but it doesn't matter as long as the taste is the same. It's really good, especially I made it. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video. And thank you so much.
Anche qui determinerebbe un rialzo fino sicuramente a 23.